The wireless CarPlay Android Auto Smart Module for Volkswagen Touareg RN S850201-2018 is an essential upgrade for drivers who want to bring modern smartphone integration into their vehicle without compromising its original design. This module is designed for easy, plug-and-play installation, meaning you can set it up quickly and effortlessly without causing any damage to your car's existing system. One of the key features of this smart module is its support for various camera options, including rear, front, and 360-degree views. This functionality is particularly beneficial for drivers who want to improve their vehicle's safety and maneuverability. The ability to switch between different camera angles makes parking, reversing, and navigating tight spaces much easier and safer. The module seamlessly integrates with the original steering wheel controls and buttons of the Volkswagen Touareg, allowing you to manage your device functions without taking your hands off the wheel. This integration not only maintains the original aesthetic and functionality of your vehicle but also enhances safety by enabling you to stay focused on the road. You can easily control navigation, music, and other smartphone features through the familiar interface of your car's existing controls. Another significant advantage of this module is its compatibility with hands-free voice control via Siri and Google Assistant. With these features, you can enjoy the convenience of making phone calls, sending texts, navigating to your destination, and controlling your music without needing to touch your phone. Voice commands ensure that you can access essential functions safely while keeping your attention on driving. This makes your driving experience not only smarter but also safer. The wireless CarPlay Android Auto Smart Module for Volkswagen Touareg RN S850201-2018 is an outstanding upgrade for anyone looking to modernize their vehicle with the latest in smartphone connectivity. It combines the ease of installation with powerful features like camera support, steering wheel control integration, and hands-free voice commands.